This is the eligibility video for UW-Madison. Starting off with the diagonal dimensions for the drone, measuring from the inside of one motor to the inside of the other motor. It's about 10.5 inches, which is approximately 27 centimeters. Now measuring the height of the drone. From the top to the bottom, it's about 3.5 inches, which is approximately 9 centimeters.
Yeah. So the first dimension we'll do is from here to there.
This is your landing box.
Yep.
So this is...
What is 120.
Yep.
So that's 120 inches right there. Cool. And then this needs to be at least 48 inches tall. And you can see that this is
More than.
61 inches-ish. So that's cool.
Yep.
This box needs to be 8 feet wide.
It is. Excellent.
Cool. And then this needs to be 3 feet wide. 3 feet like this.
Oh.
Cool. 36-ish. Right? A little bit wider, but
It's a little bit bigger.
That's
Well,
okay.
you're not quite on your corner. Yeah.
it's close enough.
It says 39.
39. Cool. And then from here to there should be 10 feet, 120 inches.
Money on that one. 120.
On the money, 120. Okay, so then we need to go 120 that way.
A little long.
Cool. Good. And then 120 this way.
Yeah, a little long.
Good. Cool. And these are, again, let's measure the height of these just so it shows it's over 48 inches. Hold the.
Yeah.
Squeeze it.
Yeah, it was.
So that's
62.
62. This one 66 with a camera on top. And then 62. Cool.
Very cool.
So then this should also be 120 inches.
120 to the corner.
Yep. Perfectly on the dot, 120. And then it should be 48 by 48. Hold on, let's measure the inside.
Yeah, internal.
Internal dimensions,
Height of 48.
48.
Yep.
And then should be a little less than 48.
Yep.
Cool, 47. And then this should be 10 feet again. Are you measuring from the inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could push it out a little, like
Yeah,
4 inches.
4 inches.
Yeah, there we go.
120.
Cool, 120. And then, so yeah. That's less than 48. And then this is 48. Cool. Are those all the dimensions?
Yep, you got all the dimensions.
Sweet. Cool. Perfect.